Welcome. In front of me I have the ESR hybrid magnetic case for the new AirPods, and I'll be going over unboxing of this case, test fit, and just my general opinion of the production quality and just how well it fits and looks. So let's just get straight into this. We do have a seal to cut through. Now this is more like basically first impression, as this is obviously first time I'm taking this out. And have some QR code, scan for help with any production, whatever. Hopefully there is none. Easy replacements, cool, no one cares. Unleash the full power of MagSafe. It's a freaking magnet, bro. Anyway. In here we got the matte black version of this, and we also have an installation guide. Now, this one looks like it comes with stickers, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna talk about it in a second though. Just yeet that to the side. So I have something right here, presumably. Oh, so that's actually pretty nice. They included a tool to help you remove the AirPods from the case. And we also have Lanyard along with a cleaning tool. What do they expect that you're gonna clean? Oh, the inside of it. So basically once you remove the headphones, whatever is in there. That's pretty nice. Pretty decent packaging altogether right now. So, oh, that's magnetic. Okay, that's actually pretty good design. Hell. Let me just make it a little bit brighter. There we go. So it's a bit easier to see this. Probably turn off one of the lights. There we go. Okay, I, for the love of God, cannot get the camera to look good. Anyway, so here we have the case. It has magnetic attachments, so the top and bottom, which is very good because if you ever seen like the cheap cases, I literally unboxed one. I don't recommend getting the one that I unboxed, like the FDHYFGD. It's sort of like someone slapped a keyboard, but anyway, that one was like cheap silicone case without any kind of magnets, and the top part wasn't even holding to the AirPods itself. Now, something that would basically be problematic when you close it, it would just fall off. But here, it's being held by magnets, so even if it would want to fall off, it won't be able to because the magnets are holding it, and it comes with a tape right here, so you can remove that, and when you put it on, it will adhere to the top of the AirPods right here, so also giving you a little bit more security that it won't be falling off. I'll just drop our AirPods in here. We also have a cutout for the LED right here, perfectly placed. At the bottom, again, cutouts for our charging speaker, microphones, whatever, and then the lanyard right here. And that's another thing that you can do. If you put on the lanyard right here, it will actually hold the AirPods in here a little bit firmer, as it would literally need to like yoink the cable through here, and it can't. So that's basic additional security right here. I'm not gonna peel this off right now. I'm just gonna kind of dry fit it like so. But already I can tell you that this is holding much better than I actually ever like expected from this. Okay, can you like actually let go though? Oh, there we go. So this is holding really well. And it looks like because of the shape that they have right here. So they do have some kind of design right here to help it hold better. So pretty good. Additionally, when you basically smoosh it all together, there is still a tiny bit of space, so this can always be pushed all the way to the bottom. I'm pointing that out because some cases are just, you know, if they're a little bit like a millimeter too thick in terms of cutting, then the top portion would be basically being pushed upwards away from the actual lid and just fall off. But here we have multiple things that are holding it in place. The magnets also make it much stronger in terms of how it opens, because not only do you have now the spring or magnets that are on the case itself, but you now have also the ones that, well, I meant like the AirPods case, but now you also have this case itself. Now, one of the other benefits is that it's MagSafe compatible, so you can slap it on your MagSafe charger. It's gonna magnetically attach to it, charge your earpods wirelessly, and yeah, it's just additional feature. So pretty good. And then this you can use to, let me just try to remove this. Come on, there we go. You're just gonna do this, where you just plop it on it, and boom, push it out. This seems like a very solid case, well made, with everything being just done correctly. It seems premium. It has nice features with the magnets holding the lid, with the MagSafe, and with additional features like this little stumpy thing to push out your AirPods if you ever want to take them out, and even with things like linear that they didn't need to include, and this brush to clean the inside of the where your AirPods go. Anyway, solid case. Recommend if you're looking for one like this. Links will be in the description if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.